Today is our 598th video. I'm Lalia, Sanskriti Kolkata's exclusive collection of pure dual tone printed mulberry silk as well as bandhej today for you. Today I'll be showing you a variety of custom made block prints starting from the first one, which is a pure mulberry silk in dual tone in Varli motif. These are all folk motifs, borderless sari. Very smart prints. You can wear them for work, for a corporate meeting. You can wear them for even for doctor meet or for any formal occasion as well, because these are very smart single color block print, not too much colors, and very smart look as well as classy. Dual tone colors where the warp and the weft are woven in two different shades to give this beautiful mulberry silk dual tone. This is the blouse piece. All the blouse pieces will have the border print. So similarly, I'll show you many prints and color options in mulberry silk. These are pure silks and good quality heavy ply pure silk. This is the maroon color. This is the blouse piece. Very smart prints. These are very smart, and this is the green color. A dual tone of deep green, viridian green with purple. So it gives a very unique shade combination, and this green is very uncommon green, because usually with green dual tone you get a black dual tone. This has with a green and purple, so it has a very smart English tone in this. So few are florals, few are whirly, all the blocks are differently printed. I'll show you some nice vibrant colors. Usually I do this in the darker, brighter tones silk because they come out very well and the colors are very attractive. Lightweight, and they are ideal for the summers. Purple, magenta purple dual tone. So why I'm saying two shades? Because it's dual tone, so it sometimes seems like it's purplish and sometimes it looks like a bright magenta. To see more varieties, you can visit our two branches in Kolkata, 2C Cornfield Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19 and 12 Jamil Lane. Baliganj, Kolkata 19, we have two branches, Sundays closed. This is the similar fabric but in multiple color block used. So here, few more colors have been introduced, so there may be a difference in price. I don't remember this. Yeah, so a little bit of difference in price. Those were 5990. I think I forgot to see the price. Anyway, these are 5990 number 5. It's a ink blue, cobalt blue turquoise color. So yeah, the single blocks are 5,200 and the multiple colors are 5,990. So this same print, I have few more very nice soft shades also. That was a peacock blue color and this is a nice salmon pink color, very pretty color. Very light pastel shade and with a very nice shades of print in this, very smart piece. Beautiful, this is really beautiful. So those who are new, our process of booking is to take the screenshot. There are two numbers that's going. Just WhatsApp any one number. 7603042696 is the preferred WhatsApp number. The other number you can make phone calls also, but booking via WhatsApp messages only. So after you are making the payment, we'll give you the payment details if the product is available. And after you make the payment, we'll ship it after 3 days. Firoza. So those who like solid color block prints, those who like multiple colors prints, so we have variety for all. Cash on delivery option available only in Kolkata. Outside Kolkata, it will go via courier. Courier charges you need to pay, which is extra. This green is beautiful. Very pretty green. All the sarees are extremely attractive and a little different kind of blocks we've used. Even the combinations are different. See the blouse piece for this. We have our own printing unit where we do these kind of unique prints. And I give the designs and my experienced skilled karigars do the printing. This is a dual tone lime mustard combination. Ripe Nimbu ka skin color, very pretty shade. If you want to opt for video call, we have the option for the products which is not displayed in the video. And check out our Facebook page, Sanskriti Kolkata, for live videos. Live, you can join us in our live Facebook Live, as well as we upload pictures regularly, reels, and many more variety options you can select from. So check out our WhatsApp status also, where we upload, status uploads are there for available products, restocked items, reviews, your pictures. So stay tuned and be in touch. A very smart, this is a Jamini Roy print in silk. Jamini Roy painted, Jamini Roy is a very famous painter. Her speciality was painting the figures, face figures in this type of format. So inspired by Jamini Roy painting, this block print has been done. Now I'll show you tie and dye starting from here. Tie and dye on high demand. Again, few pieces have been restocked. I had worn one of the similar type in Bandhej video. Last time only one piece had arrived in Ras, that also sold out. So restocked in this pure Maheshwari Ajrak block print in original vegetable dyes with shibori. Center panel shibori, a very smart fusion concept and in very high demand within 5,000 range. Very pretty unique sari number 11. This is very pretty new combination. The coffee color. See, you see the original Ajrak printing in pure Maheshwari hand woven sari with blouse piece in original Ajrak print. Gold zari border. So just take the screenshot and quickly WhatsApp 76030429696. These are vegetable dyes, so the blocks and the print will not be exactly same. These are hand blocks. Previous one was indigo. This is slightly charcoal slate color. When you take the screenshot, make sure the product code or the number is there in the screenshot. Little bit of spots and smudges are very common in hand block vegetable dye prints. Even in Kalamkari you will see, Madhubani you will see, Ajrak you will see. These are blocks which can never be even if it's hand block or original. If it's block print or screen print, I mean to say the computer print or screen print or those, then you will get the perfect printing. Now I'll move on to semi matka. This is just for a budget friendly option of bandhej with zari border. So budget friendly sari in bandhni print. Three color options I'll give you. 2750 number 14 Rani color, gold paisley Banaras woven sari. The other one is this blue navy. These are semi matka. These are not 100% silk. But range wise and quality wise they are quite good, and especially we sell them in bulk when there is, you know, wedding gift. You have to gift many similar type to your close ones. So budget wise they are very pretty and good quality also. So three color options in this matka, semi matka, bandhej. Similar type we have without bandhej also. You know, there are many options we do in this kind of budget within 2500 to 2750 range. There are many print and you know, color options, but different designs. So for that you can opt for a video call. This is number 16. Bright color. The one which is hanging. Pure modal silk in exclusive hand block. Pure modal silk Ajrak block. This is a dark charcoal coffee color. 7500 with tassels. There are many variety of Ajrak and depending on the number of blocks used and the colors used, the fineness of the block print, the originality of the vegetable dye and the count of the thread, the prices vary. In the market you will see Ajraks from 5,000, 6,000 range also, but these are different from the ones which is available in the market. We have that range also, but in limited quantity, because anyway I have no arguments with competitors who charge less, they know what their goods are worth. This is the printed blouse piece, and it's a very smart leaf print, 7500. The other one is this rust and mustard yellow color. Very, very uncommon shade, and this is the blouse piece. The price of this is 8800, 8800. This is pure heavy quality modal and with zari woven pallu, lakri patta pallu. Can you see the figure dancing, Rajasthani dancing dolls, dancing couple in the pallu? It's totally woven in zari, and it comes with a matching tassel. It's a very, very gorgeous sari for formal occasion. 8800 is the mustard one, and 7500 is the dark coffee color one. Now I'll show you some pure silk, pure Dupion pure silk, tie and dye original Leheriya with hand embroidered gota patti and moti work. Beadwork gota patti in pure silk. This is the backside border. Finished, complete. You don't need to attach any fall. We've already done it for you. So it has, it doesn't fall off. The work will stay very prominently. And even if you, ऐसे करके आप घूमो साड़ी का पल्ला जैसे भी आप पकड़ो, एक बहुत स्मार्ट एक बैक साइड फिनिशिंग लुक बहुत अच्छा देता है. We always take special care about the finish of the product. So it's a handwork sari in border, and it's in pure Dupion silk and hand Leheriya. So I have got depending on the print, on the work, little narrow border. इसमें छोटा छोटा डिफरेंस के लिए प्राइस में फर्क आता है, इसलिए हम सिमिलर टाइप में बहुत सारा कलर्स और बहुत सारा बॉर्डर ऑप्शंस दिखाएंगे. ये वाला ब्लाउज पीस है, पैरेट ग्रीन विद अ सी ग्रीन कलर. ओरिजिनल लहरिया एंड सी ग्रीन का फॉल लगाया हुआ है. ऑल हैंड बीड वर्क विथ कटदाना, गोटा, मल एंड बीड्स. प्योर सिल्क्स. This piece is tussar. This particular piece is tussar. Pink and red. So two fabric I'm showing you. One is in silk, one is in tussar. This also has the fall attached, the red color. Very, very pretty piece, very pretty, and see the tassels. Rani, this is silk. Rani color backside border. So this is silk, pure silk. Previous pink one was tussar, pure tussar. So many beautiful shades I'm showing you in vibrant colors. Silk again, lovely shade. हर साड़ी में बहुत फाइन हैंडवर्क बूटास भी है. सी, इसका वर्क बहुत प्रिटी है. ये सब वेडिंग के लिए, शादी के लिए, शादी का मतलब कोई माहौल में बहुत खूबसूरत लगता है, फोटोज अच्छा आता है। राजस्थान का ट्रेडिशनल साड़ीज है प्योर सिल्क में। Silk again, this is the same combination I'm wearing. Work is different, hence the price may be different. See, everything is mentioned, so you will have no difficulty in selection. और छोटा छोटा जो डिटेल्स है हम आपको वर्बली बता दे रहे हैं। Sundays we are closed, the rest of the weekdays we are open all day. So visit our store. जामिल लेन ब्रांच में आपको थोड़ा बजट फ्रेंडली साड़ीज बहुत सुंदर स्टॉक मिलेगा, और फैंसी और पार्टी वेयर कलेक्शन, मेंस वेयर कलेक्शन, ज्वेलरी आपको कॉर्नफील्ड रोड ब्रांच में मिल जाएगा। Only one piece was displayed till now, Lehriya in Tussar, okay? Rani color, backside border. Next, the one that I'm wearing in silk also. Pure silk, Dupian silk. Here is the blouse piece. The price of this sari is 11,900 with this blouse piece. $11,900. This is the sari. Sea green and leaf green, parrot green combination. The border work is very, very fine, narrow, sleek border, again with complete finishing. The neck piece that I'm wearing, stone setting, sleek neck piece. 3,500 is the satin green. Emerald green stone setting with cute earring drops. 3,500 set. 3,500. You can go for video call for jewelry also. And the sari price is already mentioned. So this is a very, very pretty piece. The color combination is very nice, and the work, the finishing, the latkan, beautiful. Next, a few more fusion bandhej for you in Tussar. Shibori with hand painted kalamkari with pitted zari. Lovely fusion for you, borderless, coffee color. So it's a beautiful package where you get the best of the color, which is coffee, another and in combination with green, which is unique, a very different kind of shibori throughout the sari, hand painted kalamkari pallu with mirror work and hand work pitan zari. Amazing. Sorry, this is not kalamkari, this is pichwai. Hand painted pichwai, and with this pichwai blouse piece. Superb. Very unique piece, very unique. I can obviously say this is a neighbor's envy, owner's pride. Now your favorite after a long time, pure silk tussar kota. Here the thread with zari weave petni. Petni woven border, petni woven pallu, and hand bandhej, tie and dye, raidana bandhej with zari buta and blouse piece. Now see the sari. The color is excellent now that it's not polished, so the width is not full. So polish charges extra, roll polish charges extra, and you have to give us a week extra time other than shipping. So those who want us to do the polishing, so we give it for roll polish, that is 7 days, and then shipping another 7 days. तो आपको अगर एक्स्ट्रा सर्विसेज चाहिए तो उसके लिए आपको थोड़ा हमको टाइम देना पड़ेगा, या तो फिर आप लोकली कोई कहीं पे दे सकते हो, ये ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम नहीं है क्योंकि जरी में तो ज़्यादा पॉलिश नहीं लगता है, मेनली आयरन से हो जाता है, mainly the body part. But what I personally do is the upper part I just iron a bit, and the rest, but if I give to the roller polish, they'll do the whole roller polish. If you do it yourself, you can tell them to जहाँ पे आप टक इन करोगे ना, मतलब 3 मीटर आप पूरा पॉलिश करवाओ, बाकी आप थोड़ा सा बस आयरन कर लो। तो ये बंधेज का जो ये क्रश्ड लुक रहता है बहुत खूबसूरत लगता है वो। Beautiful yellow and mustard, and note the weaving, the patterny weave, lovely piece. The fabric is pure, it's a kota weaving in silk and tussar yarn used with zari buta. The colors are lovely. Okay, now I have this one, pure modal gajji. Now look at this ajrak. What an amazing piece this is. The print, it's so exclusive, not the regular buta concept print. इसमें कितना block use किया है आप गिन भी नहीं पाओगे, 7200 आप इसको गिन भी नहीं पाओगे, इतना सारा blocks use किया है। One sari block it took 22 days, क्योंकि इसको ड्राई करके करना पड़ता है, फिर पूरा ड्राई हो जाने के बाद फिर यू कैन यूज द सेकेंड ब्लॉक। सुपर्ब पीस, सुपर्ब अजरक। 2 exclusive ajrak I'm showing you today, not much, only 2 exclusive ones. Beautiful. This is premium quality and very, very unique print. Indigo. Ghachola bandhej in Gajji. So I showed solid colors. Now we've done in 3 color dye: the red, the rust, mustard rust, and chiku. In between जो बंधेज है ना, आप ऐसे देख सकते हो, इसमें बीच बीच में घटचोला वीव में भी बंधेज है। इसको भी polish charges extra. Normal sarees we don't charge for polishing, but this since it's a different kind of a polish and it takes a lot of time, इसके लिए आपको extra polish charges देना पड़ेगा। बाकी सारा साड़ी हमारा polish होके ही जाता है। घटचोला गज्जी बंधेज। Another one, Pichwai. It's a very pretty sari, very pretty with digital printing border. And Ghachola Pallu. This is Ghachola Pallu. This is the Pallu part is in Ghachola. Very, very smart, different sari number 30 with the blouse piece. Pichwai digital. So इसमें डिजिटल प्रिंटिंग है, इसमें वीविंग है घटचोला पल्लू का, बॉडी में ओरिजिनल बंधेज है, साड़ी है प्योर गज्जी का, बहुत सुंदर है, और इसमें टाई डाई भी है, बॉर्डर वेरी स्मार्ट बॉर्डर, एकदम हटके साड़ी है। So don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we'll be back with another lovely episode. So keep in touch, and thank you so much for watching.